Hi, I'm Nick Vervoort. In 1999, when I was just 7 years old, I got lost on an island. That island was inside my Game Boy Color, and it was part of the game The Legend of Zelda: Link's Awakening. Ever since those childhood days, I've been fascinated by video games, and I knew pretty early on that I wanted to make my own games too. I found out that video games are just a special type of computer program, so I made up my mind that I would learn how to code. Back in those days, the internet was slow, and it was only on my parents' computer in their office, so I checked out books from the local public library. I learned how to code in BASIC, make Flash games, and eventually learned more complicated and powerful languages too. I went to college for computer science, and then I got a job as a professional programmer, which we call a software engineer. Learning how to code and sticking with it as a hobby and as a profession has opened so many doors for me, I can't even count them. Not to mention, it's just fun to solve an interesting problem and to tell a computer what to do and see it actually happen. As for making my own video games, I never gave up on the dream. I've made lots of little games and experiments, but for the past few years I've been working on my biggest project yet, an epic adventure just like the Zelda games that inspired me as a kid. It's called Song of Asira, and I'm making it in a program called GameMaker Studio. The code looks similar to C, Java, or JavaScript, which are some of the biggest languages around. Making a game isn't just about the coding. I make all of the graphics and music myself too, and design characters and write dialogue for them. It's a totally creative process with coding at the center. Writing code has been a lifelong adventure for me, and you could start that adventure too. Try bossing a computer around. You just might like it.